Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure you know your Apple ID and the iPhone XR passcode. This prevents lockouts when changing credentials. Once connected to Wi-Fi and with adequate battery, open Settings and tap your name at the top. From there, go to Password and Security. This is where Apple centralizes password changes. Tap Change Password to start. You do this on the device so Apple can verify it's you using the local passcode rather than sending insecure reset links. Once prompted, enter your iPhone XR passcode so the system verifies that the change is authorized. Then type a new password. Apple requires at least 8 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, and at least one number. This reduces brute force risk. Make a memorable but unique phrase or use a password manager to generate one. After entering the new password twice, tap Change or Update. Your device will propagate the credential to iCloud and prompt other devices to re-authenticate. After the change, you'll need to sign in again to iCloud services on your XR and other Apple devices. This ensures secure access to mail, photos, and keychain. Make sure 2-factor settings and trusted phone numbers are current so you can recover access if needed. If a device asks for an old password, choose to update or sign out and back in. If you can't change the password because you forgot your Apple ID or passcode, use Account Recovery or a trusted device to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.